We are here to help. When solving or simplifying an algebraic equation or expression involving fractions, it is a common practice to cancel out common factors from the denominator. We do this to reduce or get rid of fractions. Before we show the error, let's first review some definitions. A term is a number, variable, or a combination of numbers and variables multiplied together. A factor is a number or algebraic expression that divides another number or algebraic expression evenly. 3 and 6 are factors of 12, since they divide 12 evenly. Similarly, x plus 2 and x plus 4 are factors of x squared plus 6x plus 8. The most frequent error made when canceling in an algebraic expression or equation is to cancel out a term instead of a factor. Consider the algebraic expression x plus 2 over 2. It is commonly mistaken that we can cancel out the 2 in the numerator with the 2 in the denominator. If we do this, we obtain x plus 1. But why is this wrong? Let's analyze the expression. The numerator is made up of two terms, x and 2. 2 is divisible by 2, but since x can be any number, we can't say that it's divisible by 2. When we cancel out the 2's, we are not considering that x is also being divided by 2. As a result, the x term in the numerator doesn't get divided by 2 and we end up with x plus 1. To see this more clearly, let's separate the terms in the numerator and write this expression as x over 2 plus 2 over 2. When we separate the terms in the numerator, we can see that x and 2 are both being divided by 2. Comparing this to the incorrect result we got earlier, we can clearly see that x is being divided by 2 in our answer, and that the 2 in the denominator doesn't completely disappear. In order to completely cancel the 2 in the denominator, all of the other terms in the numerator need to be divisible by 2. Since x isn't divisible by 2, we can't cancel anything out. Now, let's look at an example of when we can cancel. Consider the expression 2x plus 2 over 2. 2x and 2 are both divisible by 2, so we can cancel out the 2's from each of the terms in the numerator with the 2 from the denominator. To make this more clear, let's separate the terms in the numerator. Since 2x is divisible by 2, we can cancel out the 2's in that term, and 2 over 2 is 1. Instead of separating the terms in the numerator, we could also factor out a 2. Since our numerator is now a product, we can cancel out the 2's. Let's look at a slightly different example of incorrect canceling. Consider the expression 6x plus 3 over 6x plus 2. Even though 6x appears in the numerator and the denominator, we cannot cancel them out. This is because 6x is not a common factor between the numerator and the denominator, but a common term. Here are some things to remember when canceling. If you are unsure about whether you can cancel anything out, separate the terms in your numerator and write them as a sum or difference of separate fractions. This way, you can analyze each term separately with the denominator and then determine if any factors can be canceled. In this example, we can only use the 4 in the denominator to cancel out factors from 2 of the terms in the numerator. This means that we cannot completely cancel out the 4 in the denominator. So, unless every term in the numerator and denominator have the same common factor, you cannot cancel out that factor completely. Thank you for watching.